Alright, we're working on the Oliver 1800 with the Dual, but what we're doing today is tie rod ends. And to get it out, we used the pickle fork there. But then a lot of times just hitting it right there with the hammer will be it. And you can tap down on it, sure. But on the inside you can't tap down on it, so you got to use a pickle fork over there. That's what we used over there. Okay, so got another tie rod over here, a new one. For 1800. So there you go, we got new tie rods on it. We're going to do more work on it and replace more stuff, but that's what we're going to do right now. We'll get the suspension tightened up so you can steer it better. So, and then the other thing was to get the castle nut to come off. I used that to grip it right. Well, anyway, you grip it right there, but of course that was all gone on the old one. But the other thing that turned out to be really helpful, now I know a lot of people got the old air impacts, but this is the new deal. Cordless. So you don't have to have no cord hanging off you, no line, air line going to you. And then I took it right off with it backed up with the vice grip. So those come in a lot of different strengths. This one isn't a real strong one, but it keeps you from having to turn and turn and turn and turn with forever with your, you know, with a wrench like this. Plus, an impact helps a lot in doing projects like this because the need for a backup isn't as great. I did have to use a backup, but in a lot of cases you don't even need a backup and you can impact it off. So they're extremely helpful for that. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing signing off.